Ang thoughtful niya kasi may kasama na rin Enervon Z Plus yung canister.
Yes.
Na para bang biniwish mo ng extra energy yung pagbibigyan mo.
Yeah.
Let's go! Let's go again. Get one. Ay, ang cute!
So,
May
nasa
parang- Ay,
let's go.
may design from. Ayun, no?
Aww.
Happy holidays!
Let's
Ta-da!
Wow! Ang dami! 8.
Easy.
May nakalagay, Santa said. Santa said you're on the nice and needs an energy boost list.
Yeah.
Alam mo, Santa.
Happy holidays!
Okay, I'll start. My wish for Mika. Sana may energy ka to watch and finish all K-drama.
Thank you so much. My wish for Gwenny
Aww.
is I wish na may energy ka to do makeup tutorial.
Ako naman, wish ko kay Ate Colette. Kahit wala siya
Aww.
dito today, di natin siya kasama.
Kasama.
Pero, ang wish ko for her is more energy for doing dance trends on TikTok.
Oh, wow!
At ako na rin magsasabi ng wish ko for Joe. Road trip energy.
Wow! Energy for road.
Yes.
Ako naman ang wish ko kay Bebe, energy na pang world tour.
Wow!
My wish for Ate Maloy is energy na photoshoot ready!
My wish is for stay.
Oh my God!
Yes, my wish is energy na pang-rampa for
Wow!